Hey there, guys, and today we are talking about the Cobra Power Plunger. It's called the Power Plunge-It. Yeah, this is a different kind of plunger. It really is. When I saw it in the store about 6 months ago, I said, okay, this is not the normal plunger. It has a kind of different technology to it. Actually, a plunger really is used to, like, you plunge and plunge and plunge, like, with this suction here, and hopefully whatever you got stuck in your toilet or whatever comes out, it like pops out, and then so you can flush your toilet normally or go through. This uses the power of air and suction to shoot water through the pipe and release the clog. So you're sucking air up with this hose here, with this top. You're sucking it up like that all the way up. You see? And then down, using this suction here while plunging and shooting water into the toilet to get your stuff out. Yeah. The reason I got this was because I had a little hand knitted cloth that was given to me by a friend. It was like just a little piece of decoration that was knitted, and somehow it got into the toilet and it got stuck in there and clogged the toilet up. And I really needed to, I used my regular plunger and it would not come out, just the one that had this part and just a stick, and I was just going at it, trying to get it to unclog, but I couldn't get it. So instead of calling a actual plumber to come out and charge me $1 million to get the clog all, clear, I went out to the store and got this guy. And I read the package and it just looked like something I wanted to try. It's really economical. It's not very expensive at all. And so I tried it, and lo and behold, it worked. It worked really, really well. I liked it a lot. I was very surprised, and it didn't take very long. Yeah, I mean, you're not going to use this often. I mean, hopefully you don't get a whole lot of things stuck in your toilet regularly, but when you do need it, it does work. And I can vouch for that. But also, this bottom part, this part here unscrews. You can unscrew this and take it off. And this set here comes with a smaller piece that I don't have, but it's a piece just like this one. But you unscrew this part and then you put this smaller one on for smaller drains. Like, you can use this for, it's set to use for toilets, sinks, showers, and tub drains, and it works on all of them. I have used it on my shower before. I actually lost the smaller attachment that goes with it, but it looks just like this, but it's smaller, and you use it for the like sinks and drains, like for your shower. But works the same way, and it works very good. It was a lifesaver, really. I mean, and I was really blown away that it didn't cost very much, So it is my in-home plumber. Yeah, actually, I've only used it a few times because, like I said, you're not going around trying to get stuff clogged in your toilet all the time. But the times I've had to use it, which is probably in that time I got it, maybe 3 times, and every time, and one of them wasn't even at my house, but every single time I used it, it worked. It worked very well, and I was pleasantly surprised, and now I'm not even surprised anymore. And when people ask me about stuff getting clogged in their toilet or whatever, I always say, hey, you know, I can bring over my Plunge-It if you need it. It will power through and do the job. Nice little good piece of technology. I like it a lot. And it's not very big. It's about as big as the average plunger, and you know, this part all the way extended is a little taller, but it's pretty compact. It does the job. Yeah, so that is the Cobra Power Plunge-It. That's right. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.